Welcome to IQ Aldgate, the ultimate student living experience in the heart of Northwest England. Located on Commercial Road, IQ Aldgate offers a range of cozy shared apartments and studios, all equipped with comfy beds, private study spaces, spacious wardrobes, and plenty of storage options to make your stay a breeze. But the real cherry on top is the seriously impressive communal facilities. From movie nights in the cinema room to sunset drinks on the rooftop terrace and a state-of-the-art gym, IQ Aldgate has it all. And when it comes to location, you couldn't ask for more. Just an 8-minute walk would take you to the prestigious Queen Mary's University, and a quick bus ride would easily drop you off at the Northumbria University London campus in no time. Plus, with London's happening city centre just 10 minutes away, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. IQ Aldgate is not just a student accommodation. It's a celebration of life in all its colors, hopes and promises rolled into your first home in a far-off land. So what are you waiting for? Book your stay on amberstudent.com.